Hi everybody, I'm Brian Jones, the Sunday Carpenter. Today, I'm going to cut my grass. This is what we cut the grass with in Japan. This is my third tank of gas on the mountain today. It's kind of nice when it runs out. Forces me to take a break. I'm done. Yay! I think I'm done. This hill used to be a natural mountain. They shaped it as they did when they made this community. And when they were done, they covered the mountain in plastic mesh. I guess to keep everything from sliding and eroding, but it just makes a mess of my blade. I do this about 4 or 5 times a year. The town does it about twice a year. The mountain is actually town property, but as you can see, it comes right almost next to my house. And if I don't cut it, that grass will grow about as high as I am tall. So I try to cut it 4 or 5 times a year to keep it low and manageable. Right now it's the end of May and it's not too bad out. The humidity is pretty bad today, but the temperature is not so bad. So doing this works okay. But in the middle of summer, when it's really humid and really hot, it's pretty brutal up there. And you may have heard about these killer hornets. Well, those actually are from Japan. And I see them buzzing around here all the time, especially in the hot summertime. Whirring of the blade and the buzzing of the engine seems to provoke the stupid hornets. Anyway, always keep my eye out for those suckers. Don't want to get stung by one of them. There's a quick trip to the emergency room. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you liked that video. If you did, hit the like and the subscribe button too. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Now be careful not to step on my onions here.